Hey, mean Mr. Math. Coming back to you from the basement. All right. What I want to do is follow up on the last video. Boom, there it is.
Okay, that's great that we've discovered that. But what the question was how much is 100%?
Listen, listen, listen.
Okay, so what do? We multiply by 100, right? We're going to multiply that total by 100. Okay, to go from 1 to 100%, multiply by 100. You can have 100 times more sodium than this, and you're eating a healthy diet. And there should be some sodium in your diet. There is in most foods. It's just naturally occurring. So we're going to take 23 and 75 hundredths, multiply that by 100.
By 100.
Okay, notice the decimal point has simply moved over 2 places to the right. So 100% of your daily intake of sodium is 2,375 milligrams. Okay. Simple follow-up question to that. Okay. 2,375 milligrams is equal to how many grams? Okay, how many grams is that? Okay, remember that there are 1,000 milligrams. That's equal to 1 gram. Can you tell me how many grams of sodium you can have in a day?
And that's what we're going to answer today. Okay, it's pretty simple, guys. In fact, I've already set up more or less a proportion for you. Okay, there it is. There's our proportion. Simple as that. 2,375 is to 1,000 as what is to 1, okay? As how many grams per single gram, right? These two totals here, 1,000 milligrams and a gram, that's an equal amount, a physical amount that's the same, okay? 1,000 milligrams is a gram, okay? I'm asking how many grams 2,375 milligrams are, okay? So we have to think to ourselves, well, how do I go from 1,000 to 1? What happens? What did you do? You divided by 1,000, right? So 1,000 milligrams is a gram. What do you think 2,000 milligrams would be? That's right, 2 grams. What do you think 3,000 milligrams will be? Oh, wait. Yeah, 3 grams. 4,000 milligrams, 4 grams. You're dividing by 1,000. So it's not as simple and it's neat with 2,375 milligrams, but we can still divide by 1,000. Okay, let me reduce this screen here for a second. Okay, use that. All right, I'm going to reduce the screen. Okay, focus your attention. Here we go. Did the math. So let me rewrite that for you. Still getting used to this program. Again, bear with me as I flub around with it. All right, so there it is. 2,375 divided by 1,000 is 2 and 375 thousandths. So that's how many grams there are. 2 and 375 thousandths grams, or that's 2 and 3/8 if you working with fractions. 2 and 3/8 grams. Okay, so that's how much you should be. That's 100% of the daily value of sodium. The amount of salt you should be taking consuming every day. So I hope you guys were able to answer that question. And if you look at it, it's just a simple division problem, right? 2,375 divided by 1,000 is 2 and 375 thousandths. When you check back in, I'm going to have another video. I'm going to stick with soup. Okay, Alex, I want you to know that is a little bit more of a cultured soup, something for a more refined palate of those that like, making soups from a concentrate. This is an organic, reduced sodium, roasted beef base called Better Than Bouillon. So this is something that I have on my shelf, and we're going to probably make some nice soup with this today, put in some vegetables, whatever we can find, and we'll make it nice for us and the children. So I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Check back in with me